Hey everyone, welcome to my video. In this video we are going to be modeling this center drill. It is a very simple model. We open a new part and in front plane we create a new sketch, and then I take my line. Firstly, I'm making a profile which is looking like the model that I want. These both will be construction geometry and then dimensions. This is 3mm, this is 8mm, we have here 12mm long area, and here we have a 30 degree, here we have 118 divided by 2, and here we have 4mm. This is what we are searching for, and after we make a mirror, I choose my mirror, and then with mouse I choose whole line, and in this line I made my sketch mirrored, and then I'm closing my profile. And after we quit sketch and make revolve both space. This is the model, and then we are going to make now cutout. We are putting here a arc and creating here a straight line, converting to construction geometry, and with control mouse button we are adding tangency, and the radius value is 22. After that I am closing my profile, and we are having a sketch, and with extruded cut I am making my plane 0.3mm offset and outward draft and 25 degree cutting angle. And then after this operation we are getting our model, and then we're just going to make a circular pattern 2 times on this edge, exactly, and after that we just make a mirror, but we should open a mirror plane. I'm choosing my right plane and reference geometry and choosing my middle point, and after this operation I'm going to mirror, and the features to mirror, these both features are going to be mirrored. This is all we need, and now we can create here a split surface where our HSS inscription going to be placed. And I create here one more line and midpoint option. Line will be 8mm long, and for now I'm placing here, and then we create a text and writing here HSS. Yes, something like this is going to be enough, and then split line, and on this surface we made a split in both sides. We have, if we want, we can give colors on these faces. Yes, and then we have our model. Thank you for watching. I hope it's a useful video. You have learned something new. If you like my video, please make comment and press the like button.